What's up everyone, I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. If you are new here, I make soap videos. I make soap videos every single week, but that will be changing. We are going to be still making soap videos every single week, but I'm hoping in the next month or so, I'm going to be able to start making some other videos, like some canning videos, some baking videos, and just a whole lot of like homesteading videos as well, because we are going to finally start working on a lot of our infrastructure for our farm, which means fencing, a high tunnel, raised garden beds, just a whole lot of stuff that's going to be going on, and I want to take you guys along with me. But for now, we are going to be sticking with the soap videos, so if you like that, subscribe. If you're looking forward to the other stuff that we're going to be putting out, be sure to subscribe for that as well. But until then, let's get some soap making started and make some essential oil soap. Alright y'all, so let's get ready to make some soap. So today I am using some essential oils. I'm using a combination of tea tree and lemongrass. And then I'm going to be using some titanium dioxide that I've already pre-mixed in. Also going to be using some emerald green mica powder, which I've already taken a little bit of oil out of my batch to pre-mix it. It just makes it easier to mix it in. And we are going to get started. I've already mixed in my kaolin clay and my goat milk powder, and we're at 103, which is fine because I know my lye is probably pretty cold. I made it yesterday. It's at about 95, so we're good. I like to try to stay under 100 degrees when starting off. Doesn't always happen. It's kind of hot in my office this morning, so we're going to get ready to soap. So I am making a beer soap like usual, and if you don't know how to make a beer soap, or if you want to learn how to make a beer soap, I have a video dedicated start to finish on how to make beer soap. I will link that down below for you, and we're just going to get this party started. Alright, I'm going to just bring this to a very light trace. Going to be, I made a little bit larger of a batch today because I am doing some testing, and so I'm going to pour off some of this into a separate container to do some tests with later. Set that aside and get this party started. Alright. So I'm just doing a very little amount of green. Most of this will be a white. And we're going to do a little bit of a finger swirl with the green. Alright, so let's get this titanium dioxide mixed in. So I'm going to make a big old mess, like always, and I'm going to wait for this to thicken up just a smidgen. And we're going to, I've already got my hanger in here, kind of, it's not going to go center because it's wonky. Alright, so just going to pour a little bit in there. I'm actually going to give this a quick stick blend because I got a little bit of ricing going on. Nobody likes ricing. Much better. All right, back to pouring. Now that we were so rudely interrupted by our fragrance oil rising. So I am actually going to try to keep this pretty centered. I love this green color. I don't know what it is about greens and blues. They're like my favorite colors to soap with. They're not my like favorite color to decorate with, but I love making soap with greens and blues. Does anyone else have like the most randomest of favorite colors when it comes to soaping? It's not necessarily your favorite color of all time, but you love it in a soap. So I am just going to try to break this ball a little bit. We are getting thick, which is fine. So I'm going to give this a tap on the table. Give it a little twist. I'm going to take my finger up and wipe her down. And I'm going to make a mess because why not, right? Okay, and then I've got just a little bit of the green lip for the top. And I'm actually going to oven process this soap because it's already getting a little warm and I'm afraid it's going to go through a partial gel. So I'm just going to mitigate the problem. Stop it before it happens. And I'm just going to oven process it, force it through gel stage. And then it'll be a beautiful, vibrant soap. You know? Alright. You stay there. I'm just going to give it Alrighty, take a messy glove off and squish it down. And then I will be back in probably, I'm gonna let this sit for 48 hours just because this particular recipe I'm using is very heavy in olive oil. So I wanna make sure it's nice and hardened before I cut it. So I will bring you guys back when it is ready to cut. Alright y'all, it is my favorite day, soap cutting day. I was going to let this cure for a little bit longer, but I'm impatient. I wanted to open it up and see what it looks like. So let's get to it. Okay, maybe it's a good thing I didn't wait longer. Ooh. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I like that one. Looks like a little smiley face. So that's what I've got, and I will see you guys in the outro. So that is what I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one.